Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Muhammad Shwe. Welcome back. Today, in this tutorial video, we will learn how we can configure a long pulse button in the WinCC OA. A long pulse button is a type of control button in the SCADA system to send signal that stay on for fixed duration, even if the operator only clicks the button moment. It's very useful for operation where a short command need to be held for the few seconds, for example, starting a motor, triggering a valve, or sending reset pulse to the PLC or RT. When you press the button in SCADA system, set the output tag to the one for defined pulse duration, say for example 2 to 5 seconds, and then automatically reset back to 0. For example, here once you press the button, the output is on, and you can see here output is on for the 5 seconds. It will become after that defined time duration, it will become off. So let's see how we can configure like that long pulse command in the WinCC OA. So we'll use the same project that we already created in the previous tutorial video. So we'll change the button label into the long pulse. Okay, and now we'll click here over the click, and we'll click over the open script editor for the click event. So we'll write here dp set, and then we'll put our tag, which tag we want to put for the specific time interval. For example, I will my run tag. Okay, and after that, what value we want to write? We want to write value true, and then we'll put the delay. We'll press the tab key, and here you can see if you want to put the time delay in second, just we directly will put it like 5 seconds, and after that, I will copy the same command and we'll paste it here, and we'll change this 1 to 0. So what happened? Once we press the button, in that time, this command will execute. It will write value in this tag, and it will wait for the 5-second time delay. After 5 seconds, it will again write back 0 value into this our data point. Just check the syntax error, no syntax error, save and close, and that's it. Let's go here in the runtime, change the screen. It will appear here. Right now you can see the my runtime tag value is 0 in the controller. So once you click, it's turned on, and it will on continue for the 5 seconds. After 5 seconds, it will automatically turn off. So Alhamdulillah, we learned how we can configure a long pulse in the WinCC OA and how it's useful, and how we can configure it. So thanks for watching this video.